Weak legs, wobbly balance. That low-level fatigue that steals the joy from a walk to the mailbox. These are some of the most common and most frightening complaints I hear from people after 60. They don't just undermine confidence, they raise the risk of falls, chip away at independence, and slowly narrow the life you enjoy. At Senior Wellness, we believe aging shouldn't mean surrendering your mobility. While the body changes with time, decline is not inevitable. With the right, simple daily habits, strength and resilience are very much within reach. One of the easiest places to start is your teacup. Why tea? Tea isn't a miracle cure, but many plants contain natural compounds, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, adaptogens that act on several systems at once. Unlike a single drug that targets one pathway, these botanical compounds calm inflammation, improve circulation, protect cells, and support energy production. Used consistently, they can help muscles recover, reduce soreness, and make movement feel easier. Below are 3 practical, easy-to-make teas that support the 3 big problems behind weak legs, inflammation, and poor circulation, low endurance and energy, and stress-related poor recovery. Number 1. Ginger plus turmeric tea fights inflammation and improves circulation. Ginger and turmeric are household staples, but together they make a powerful tea for sore, heavy legs. How they help? Ginger contains gingerols, which can act as natural vasodilators. They help relax blood vessels so muscles receive better oxygen and nutrients. Better circulation reduces cramps and that heavy leg feeling. Turmeric contains curcumin, a strong anti-inflammatory compound that helps blunt the chronic inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown and stiffens joints. Tip for potency: add a pinch of black pepper. Piperine in pepper dramatically increases curcumin absorption. Fresh ginger and fresh turmeric root release more active compounds than powders, but powdered forms still work. A slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey improves flavor without undoing benefits. Expectations: this tea eases soreness and can speed recovery. Some people notice an improvement in walking and stiffness within a week or 2. For others, it takes longer. Make it a habit, not a one-off. Number 2. Ginseng plus green tea restores steady energy and endurance. If fatigue is the thing that stops you moving, this is the blend to try. How they help: ginseng is an adaptogen whose ginsenosides help muscles use oxygen more efficiently, support mitochondrial function, the cell's powerhouses, and reduce stress hormones that contribute to muscle breakdown. It also improves mental energy and focus. Green tea supplies catechins, antioxidants that protect muscle cells from oxidative damage, plus a modest, steady lift from caffeine, balanced by L-theanine, which prevents jitters and promotes calm alertness. Preparation tips: don't use boiling water for green tea, allow it to cool slightly, then steep 2 to 3 minutes. Add thin slices of fresh ginseng or a small amount of dried ginseng and steep an extra 5 minutes. Enjoy in the morning to support daytime activity. Safety note: ginseng can affect blood pressure and interact with some medications. Seniors with complex medical issues or who take multiple drugs should check with their physician before starting regular use. What to expect? With daily use, many people report steadier energy, less midday fatigue, and an easier time keeping up with light walking or household tasks. Number 3. Ashwagandha root tea restores balance, reduces stress, improves sleep. This tea addresses the hidden drivers of weakness: stress, poor sleep, and disrupted hormonal balance. How it helps? Ashwagandha is an adaptogen that helps regulate cortisol, the primary stress hormone, supports the nervous system, and can strengthen neuromuscular connections, the pathways your brain uses to move your legs. Improved cortisol balance and deeper sleep mean muscles have more time and the right hormonal environment to repair and grow overnight. How to prepare? Ashwagandha root is dense, simmer dried root pieces for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain. It has an earthy flavor that pairs well with cinnamon or a little honey. For convenience, powdered root or tea sachets work too, though whole root tends to be purer. Timing: taken in the evening, ashwagandha often improves sleep and overnight recovery. Taken in the morning, it can provide calm, sustained energy. Its benefits accumulate gradually. Think weeks, not hours. Safety note: usually well tolerated, but people with thyroid disorders, certain autoimmune conditions, or those on hormone-affecting medications should consult their doctor. The bigger picture: small habits, big gains. No single cup of tea will rebuild years of disuse overnight. But these teas are tools you can fold into a daily routine that also includes light, exercise, good nutrition, and sleep hygiene. Together, they address the root causes of leg weakness. Ginger plus turmeric eases inflammation and helps blood reach tired muscles. Ginseng plus green tea increases endurance and mental energy so you move more. Ashwagandha reduces stress and improves sleep so muscles repair effectively. When combined with gentle, consistent movement, short walks, chair stands, or simple balance exercises, these habits compound into real, measurable change. Steadier steps, fewer aches, and more confidence. Safety and practical advice. Start slow. Monitor how you feel and discuss new herbs with your physician, especially if you take medications. Consistency matters. Expect gradual improvements over weeks to months. Keep it simple. Choose one tea to start. Build the habit, then layer others as desired. Aging is adaptation, not surrender. At Senior Wellness, we celebrate small, daily choices that restore strength and independence. A mindful cup of tea is a gentle, accessible way to give your legs the support they deserve, one sip at a time.